Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. No idea what happened to my voice. Today's a quick one. We got family photos this afternoon and it's just got to be fast. I have a doom pile project. Been sitting here way too long. This lovely frame has a mirror that goes with it, and the mirror yeeted itself right out of that frame. And I kept thinking I'm gonna get some silicone caulk. And then I never did. And then remember we just finished a project where I did that? The rattly one. What did I do? Oh. The decoupage one. I'm telling you, it's the heat. It's getting to me. I've lost my mind. I'm trying to clear out all the old glue that's in here. I picked this up at a garage sale, the All City sale actually, and this is made in the area that this came from. There was a brass factory or something. I don't know. The woman explained it to me. Apparently it's local. I didn't pay near close enough attention, but it looks like they just glued the mirror into the frame. So I'm going to show you the back here. You could see just like dried glue. I'm going to use the silicone caulk to hold it in place because it did so well on that project that we did. But let me just scrape off at least the big chunks of glue here. I've got the mirror right here. Let's see how it sits. Frame. Oval mirrors never sit quite right. Not bad. Some of the glue is still on the mirror. My problem is I don't want to I don't want to break the mirror, right? So the edge has like all this goopy stuff. Like they really did a number here. I don't know how to get this off. Like, should I sand it? Where's a sander? I got most of it off. I think that's the best that I'm going to be able to do without scratching the glass too much. There, the glass is scratched. It needs to be glued down. So what we're going to do, my camera just shut off. So I'm going to use the silicone caulk that I used for the other project. I've got it all laid out here. We're going to caulk it down, and that's my project for today. I told you it's a simple one, but it's another working my way through a doom pile project. I would say this particular mirror has been in my inventory for 6 years, needing to be repaired. I know you're all going to judge me for that, but in my defense, you know, things get away from you, and I'm working on it. I'm working on getting these projects done. So once this is done, we'll find a way to hang it. There's no hanger. Okay, well, that's another project. And then, yeah, we'll put it back on the floor. So this is just clear silicone. It's clear, right? This is the clear one. Better be. I don't remember buying any other color, but we're going to do a nice thick coat to hold this in place. They used glue previously, and as you saw, it got all over the mirror, so I ain't doing that. Nice thick coat to cover the gap. It ain't pretty, but it'll work. Oh, my wheel is stuck on something. Down here, the gap gets really big, so whoever cut this mirror didn't do a very good job getting it to size. So now we have to fill the gap here. That was a lot of silicone. Push that down. Then this product will get used up if I can find a couple other projects to use it on. And this mirror will be, ooh. My hand's tired. All right. Let's let that dry. And let me see what I can wrangle up for a picture hanger and figure out how to do it. I'll figure it out. Okay, I have a epoxy, clear epoxy, and some D-rings. So I'm going to mix up some epoxy here. Yes, I'm wearing gloves because I don't want to regret my life choices. Like that would have been a huge regret. Come on. There's gotta be a better way. Oh, that's not even. Let's hope it holds. Let's hope it's enough. All right, we're gonna keep our fingers crossed that this works. And I'll come back in a little bit. Sometimes I put things off because I don't know how I'm gonna complete them. And one of the things that was really tripping me up on this mirror wasn't so much the getting it to stay put, it was the hanging it thing. And it looks like the D-rings are going to work out. They are still drying. They're a little tacky, so we're gonna let them cure overnight. But the mirror is intact. You can see my reflection. And it's not moving. So I think I've accomplished what I set out to do, which was get this mirror in its frame. And one less doom pile project. One more project out the door. Yes. We're celebrating. Celebrating. Now I can go to family photos. Get ready for family photos and not have to think about it anymore. But put that in the booth with a couple of the other projects we finished up this month, and hopefully it'll be a good month. Anyway, thanks for watching. Happy chunking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.